going to do the trick where you take your pump foundation, you take your gripping primer, and you mix them together, and then apply. I'm gonna do 3 pumps of foundation, 3 pumps of primer, then I'm gonna mix these together. And then I'm gonna buff it in with this brush.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta humble shit, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh,
I'm gonna take my liquid liner and we're gonna do a very, very thin line.
just grows strong. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting.
Okay, I don't have an orange blush for real, so I'm gonna use a lipstick by Pat McGrath. We're gonna see how this goes.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No.
Okay, so now I have to be very, very precise with my concealer. I'm gonna take my Rare Beauty and I'm gonna start in the inner corner with just that amount. Take a flat concealer brush, work her up into in the corner of the eye, sides of the nose, And then down. Like that. Any extra, I like to put on my forehead just so that I can go off with the clean brush. You can do the same thing on the other side. Down. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Now I'm gonna take my puff and just kind of press that into the skin and blend it like that. Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night, though. Way to brought a check for the. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my brightening shade for my under eye. So just 2 dots. I'm gonna do actually a little bit more, like that. Take that same brush. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit like that. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then start setting with powder. See you at the show tonight. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild on a triangle. And set my concealer with this. Fit me, fit me. Okay, before I darken up my blush, I want to put my stars down, which is going to take a little bit of maneuvering here. So let's see. I can't really, this hand is swollen as you can see. So I'm going to try and do the best that I can with what I got. Yeah. Okay, right here I'm taking a paintbrush and a Q-tip just to clean up my lines and make them sharper, as you can see in the inside, with a little bit of makeup remover just to make sure everything is sharp and clean before I go in with any glue or rhinestones. I'm going to take some more of that blush and kind of diffuse the outer edges of this look with my blush.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
I have my rhinestone picker, my glue, and my tray with my rhinestones, and I'm just gonna go work.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take
Okay, we have everything pretty much done. I'm gonna spray. And then more blush after we dry. Alright, the very last step is taking a lip oil or lip gloss, something to make your lips look juicy, glossy, and putting that over the lip. So I'm going to take it on the brush and just glaze it. And then a little bit more.
I'm going out of slave. I had that shot at too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car. To the grind, I can balance by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor. You gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, spin on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, spin on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
So here is the final look. I love it. I added a little bit of shimmer on the lid, and I'm in love with this look. I feel like it gives Tyrant, it gives the theme of the song, and yeah, I'm so glad that I did the rhinestones and the star. I made it work. So as we all know, Cowboy Carter is Beyonce's second album in this whole trilogy 3-act situation, and this album is specifically dedicated to the reclamation of America and country music for Black Americans. And Beyonce specifically uses the color red to invoke a sense of power, a sense of energy, a sense of encouragement as she prompts us to reclaim country music and reclaim the American flag, reclaim our stance here in America. We are American. Black history is American history overall. It also speaks to the aggression and the anger of how Black artists, Black Americans have been walked over, stolen from, and just overall neglected when it comes to America and America's ideals in society, right? So I love this color red. I think it is very powerful how Beyonce and her team uses it in not just the album, but the rollout of the album, music videos, the visuals on tour, the costumes. I think it's beautifully done, and I just love the science behind it. I love the meaning behind it, and of course I'm an art nerd. I went to school for art, so I just love breaking down the meaning of things and why artists and teams choose to do things. And I just wanted to share the little bit of knowledge that I have about this whole tour and album with you all. So I hope you all were inspired by this look. I hope you all like it. I hope you give it a try. Let me know if you do down below in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody, and I will see you all in the next video.